marking a significant milestone in South Africa's healthcare infrastructure journey. The first PSA oxygen plants have arrived at the Durban port, launching a national program that will strengthen life-saving capacity across various hospitals. These are not just machines, they are critical healthcare infrastructure designed to generate oxygen on-site, ensuring uninterrupted life support for patients in need. The Global Fund, in association with the National Department of Health, entrusted the Development Bank of Southern Africa to lead this program with its Infrastructure Delivery Division, driving execution on the ground. Every step, from procurement to contracting, followed strict governance and transparent due process. What sets this delivery apart is DBSA's proven ability to execute complex infrastructure at scale through technical expertise and accredited delivery partners. Only qualified manufacturers were appointed. From the Durban port, the journey continues to McCourt's Hospital in Durban Central, the first facility to receive its PSA oxygen plant. This marks the start of phased installations across provinces nationwide. At Umphumulo and Mbongolwane hospitals, delivery is underway, with installation teams preparing systems that will generate medical oxygen on-site. This will reduce dependency on external oxygen supply chains, ensuring continuity of care when it matters most. The impact is immediate and far-reaching, with over 8 million people expected to benefit. Hospitals gain resilience and operational independence. Patients receive a consistent, life-saving supply of oxygen, and communities gain confidence in the healthcare system's readiness. This program is more than infrastructure. It is a commitment to governance, accountability, and measurable impact. With structured delivery and rigorous oversight, South Africa's hospitals are being equipped to save more lives. This is about resilience, trust, and saving lives.